today's project, I'm working on the old flatbed. My plan is to make this a bit of a crawler hauler, toy hauler kind of thing. I want to put a small pop-up on the front, turn sideways so the door is right here, and then leave the back, the majority of the back, for my side-by-side or quads or dirt bikes or whatever. So those bars are going to have to lop those off at the bottom because the 6 feet I'm going to need for the pop-up are going to go from the front of the fender about 8 inches past those bars. So I'm going to have to cut those off. Those wouldn't be useful anyways. And anyways, the pop-up, I've got it, I just haven't brought it home yet. And it's going to be 8 feet wide. Well, it's 8 feet long, but I'm going to put it on sideways, so it's going to be 8 feet wide, and it's 6 feet wide, so that's going to take up 6 feet of my 16-foot trailer. But first thing I had working on today is fenders. We've had this thing for a long time, and I don't remember what dropped on here, but as you can see, there's no bracing to hold those fenders up, so if something does step in the middle, that's what it does. So I've already done this side. I just took some scrap metal. I don't know what this was originally. I don't know what that came from, but it's in my scrap metal pile. So it has become a support bracket to support the middle of that fender, and then I hit it with a coat of black paint just to hide my welding. So that's what it comes out looking like. But now I gotta start on this side. Alright, so welded up the cracks a little bit. This piece cut, and then I basically took this angle iron, kind of straightened it out a bit, and that's going to be the bracket going across. Alright, got it welded in there. It ain't pretty, but it'll hold. Alright, it's another day working on the trailer again. So far, removed the 4 tie downs that were here. Oh, hey, Jax. And moved 2 of them right here at the front, because that's basically the back of the pop-up will be right here. So for the front of my side-by-side, I still have 2 more. Might put them in there, somewhere in here, just for the heck of it. Don't think I need them. I'll have 2 in the back and 2 in the front, and I also got the these on the sides. The other thing I'm working on is wheels. They were looking a little rough, and I'm not a big fan of the bright white, so going with gray because it's what I had on the shelf. So got one done. That's the best part, peeling the tape off, right? If I can get my fingernails under it. Don't know why I've even bothered masking these tires. They're just getting replaced, but you know, at least for the drive down to the tire shop, it won't look goofy with all the overspray on them. So anyways, that's gonna look good. Let's see what else I can work on today. While the paint's drying, I decided to go in between all the boards and pull out a bunch of the stuff jammed in there. This trailer's been used for dump runs a lot over the years. Look at the treasures. Holy cow. Man, there was so many flat tires right there. Yeah, they're out of there now. Alright, it's the wheels reinstalled. Looks a lot better. Don't worry about the missing lug nut or the missing stud on this side. Both these axles are getting replaced. I just getting the little things done I can right now while I'm waiting for my axles and springs to show up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those off and painted, and I'll see what's next. Athena decided to come out and help. Guess all the excitement I hear, she figured she needed to be involved. I think that's it for this weekend. I think another weekend or two when my axles and springs show up, we'll get back to it.